Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix that your headphones aren't detected by your tablet HUAWEI MatePad 12X. So this issue is quite common on these tablets actually, and let's start by opening the settings and here Bluetooth. Here, as you can see, we do have the Bluetooth turned on. We'll start over looking at the Bluetooth headphones, but if you want to fix your wire headphones, go to the further part of this video. Here, as you can see, we do have the Bluetooth currently visible to every devices, device name and received files, but that's not it. Here, as you can see, we have to tap this button over here and tap headphones and speakers. Here, as you can see, we have some tips. You have to just make sure that you are doing these tips. Make sure that the headphones are charged and in range 10 meters. Press and hold the power button so no or function mode until the red and blue light flash alternatively, and search for the device on your phone or tablet. Go back. And here, do it again. As you can see here, we have this mode. After some time, we won't get it won't refresh, as you can see, forever. We just have to, as you can see, tap this again to make it work. That's it for the Bluetooth over here. We don't have, as you can see, more options here. So let's close the settings. And what the thing we're gonna do now is to restart our tablet. Hold your finger on the power button for 3 seconds. Tap restart here and restart again. This should fix our issue. If you turn your tablet and wait then a few seconds, and then turn back on, this should resolve many issues. And now we can unlock our tablet, as you can see, and what we're going to do now is to try a different pair of the Bluetooth headphones. If you have some old headphones that you know that they work or something like that, just try checking older Bluetooth device, maybe try some speaker or something like that. If you test your tablet with a different pair of headphones, you'll rule out issues with your original headphones. For example, here I do have my AirPods, as you can see, and we can connect them to this tablet even though they are Apple and check for any issues with my original headphones, which are from the HUAWEI. This should fix our issue, but if it didn't, we can go to settings and scroll down here to the sounds and vibration over here. As you can see here, they have a lot of things, but the key thing over here is to go to the more sound settings, and here, as you can see, select these two. We don't really need these settings, but these are things that I recommend when having headphones on. Apart from that, here we have to tap on this default volume control button and select the ringtone. Now increase your volume up to 100% and check there if your headphones do work and if they are detected. If they are, that's nice, but if they aren't, we have to move to the next step, which is going here almost all the way down to the system and updates. Here, tap on the software update, and now tap check for updates over here. And this should fix your issue if you do update your software. Here is the version that my headphones work, and this is the latest version as for the 18th of October 2025. Update your tablet here. This should fix any issues with the software. And as for the software issues for Bluetooth headphones, that's it. Now we can move to the cable headphones, and we don't have here the headphone jack. Thus, we have to care about the USB Type-C port. At first, lock your tablet, and here the first thing we're going to do is to check if we are using an original or certified adapter. If we are using the original adapter, that's nice, but if we're not, try buying the original adapter, because this device may not recognize this adapter that well. Now we can clean the USB Type-C port, which is over here. So you have to take any semblance, anything that is not metal, it has to be plastic, for example, and clean this USB Type-C port at the bottom of your device. This should fix your issue actually, and wait a moment, my flower got out of here. And now actually that's it for this video. We don't have any other fixes for you, because this should fix your issue. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.